Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to properly use echo sounder. This is my echo sounder type Ninlu. This for China made and I will explain one by one definitely. First, left corner there has the power button, other one function button, setting button, and this one for outside can choose this button. This button for this rain button. There's two button for and also gain and touch button. The other one for selector button. So first I will explain first button, this power button, and then this one for function. Now can see function. So can choose function 2, function 3, function 4. So there I want you first function 1. The function 1 under A B C D E. The function 1 A B C D E for this A for level. So I press this button. Level 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Level 6. I show you. Level 7. They had red, orange, yellow, green, light green, blue, light blue. They had the 7 color, and then other choose 6 color. Can see they had the display the 6 color, and then level 5 we can see that is 5 color, and then there is the only 4 color. There's 3 level: yellow, orange, red, orange, yellow. We can see that there's 3 color. This one for level, and then the other one. This for our drag. The drag for now our maximum drag 12.7. We can choose this drag how to adjust this from right corner. That not can choose clockwise and anti-clockwise can move. So now my maximum drag 12.7. Okay, and then press. Other one, this for buzzer on off. For alarm is alarm ringing, buzzer off. There has never a sound, so buzzer on. Other one D for alarm. Now our maximum drag 12.7, and then I can choose this for plus 1 meter, so 30.7. So a little back mode 40 meter. The other one for auto on off. This for auto on for if buzzer on. This for never buzzer on is alarm ringing, so continue alarm ringing. If you go auto off is auto on. This for buzzer on. This for auto sound is off. So they had the function 1. Now we can choose function 2. Function 2 me on record. So our this echo sounder display on record, this for on record. So on record, and then this for off display and on display also. This for now on play, and then it we can choose this off play. They had that we can see that now that of water. Dark water, this one for on. I didn't see only the display, and that is off play. Can see that is for dark water, and then other one that is start hour, only hour you can start, and then also can adjust this one. Check not can adjust clockwise and anti-clockwise. The other button for start minute is you can choose this and start minute because of or record start minute on this start for minute, on this start for hour, and other therefore frame 60 second frame, 10 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 50 seconds, something like that. This for 10 minute frame. So I choose for 10 minute frame. So they have displayed every 10 minute frame. The function 2, and then we can choose function 3. Function 3 they had the 2025 year. This one for man. This man also we can choose anyone. This not button, and then now 5, and then day 2027. This for hour. This for minute. It's anyone we can choose this north button, clockwise and anti-clockwise button. And next function 4. Function 4 है day display. Now night display. And choose day display. Very easy. And range. This range for we can choose this for now. Our range 800 meter. This echo sound maximum 800 meter range is 800 meter range. 500, 800, we can choose 500 meter or 800 meter. I choose 500 meter range. And then this one for on-print. Now on-print is for the display is now running. Now and then this my echo sounder didn't connect the printer, so only can see this for display. And then the other for 6 second interval, 5 second interval, 10 second interval. Anyone we can choose 30 seconds, 60 seconds. So you can choose that every day. So I choose the 60 second interval. That's the other one for now display English and Chinese language. So I don't understand English Chinese, so I choose the English. So that is complete for function 1, 2, 3, 4. The other setting. This setting also this one for dimmer. See, this for dimmer. Dimmer, and then the other button. You see this for picture 1, 2 something. This button 1 by 2 is 1 by 1. Picture 2 by 1, 4 by 1. Stop. So they have the auto stop. So 1 by 8, 1 by 4 something. And then this one, this for this ring. You see, now I press, now already move, because of this for I choose ring 20 didn't show because this that water over 70 meter. So now 16 something can show it now 77.6 meter depth of water. And then the other one for this for DVG. They also can see this 11. This time we can choose this no clockwise and anti-clockwise. This for only for display setting and not too much important. This one for other one gain. This one gain. You see? Yeah, this gain. This for this no button clockwise and anti-clockwise. Gain better. So there is complete. So I will explain again. My echo sounder named you. Echo sounder they have power button, function button, and then the setting not A to E. Function had function 1, 2, 3, 4. Now function 1. Function 1 they have the level, and then we can choose this drag, buzzer or alarm and auto print auto. And then function 2 mean on or play and start time, start hour and frame. And function 3 mean year, month, date, time, minute. Function 4 day display, night display, and then rain, and then on print, and then this for display interval second. So now function is complete. And then other one this setting. This setting button mean for dimmer button. This setting somebody else setting mean dimmer. And then the other one for you can see this for picture 4 by 1, 1 by 4 something like this. Now picture, and then the other button for ring. You see this ring. This one for DVG. This for gain. The right corner is for knock. So now already complete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share to my channel and see you next video.